and right hand side. Okay, all the bonnet. Hello Pajeros, hope you guys are doing good. This is my new bonnet gas strut, and as you can see, it's received two receive two mounts to hold the gas struts. From other sides, and these are two washers to fix to the bonnet. Alright, so this is the one we have to insert the bonnet and the hangouts to the ball nuts over here. Let's see how we're gonna fix it. First we're gonna use this mount to over here, so we have to remove this ball, and I'm gonna using number 10, the key. First you choose the correct mount for the left side one, so you can place it here. Put the bolt again. Make sure the ball, this ball nut also removed, so it can go inside this mount and it will be fitted well. Perfectly fit. You have to make sure the mount left and right hand side. Okay, we have to insert this one parallelly from here, from the bonnet, and place it to over here. Then put the washer and use this nut too. Then you can pulling up from these ones, so now it will be fitted well. Use number 12 the key. Okay, let's pull this one inside this ball. Okay, then we're gonna fix it here, but we have to push it up a little bit, bonnet up. Hold the bonnet carefully, place it then pull it. Yes, it goes inside. Tied up well from here. Again pull from here. Okay, and place it your hole here to this nut. Hold the bonnet, pull it up, tied up. Yeah, completely work is done. Let's open the bonnet. The certain level you have to give little push, and in this level the bonnet is holding itself, and you have to give a little push to go up. Let's go automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiries, please comment below. See you in the next video.